Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Review exercise 12. Question 1. Which of the following are true and which are false? Question 1, Part 1. Bisection means to divide into two equal parts by using diagram. The definition of bisection: a ray is called the bisector of an angle if it divides the angle into two equal parts. By mathematically, a ray AD bisects angle BAC into angle BAD congruent angle CAD, where angle 1 is equal to angle 2 or its two equal parts. Question 1, Part 2. Right bisection of line segment means to draw perpendicular which pass through the midpoints of line segment by using diagram. The definition of right bisection: a line is called a right bisector of line segment if it is perpendicular to the line segment and pass through its midpoints by mathematically. Line CD is perpendicular to the line segment AB and OA congruent OB, where CD perpendicular AB means angle AOC congruent angle BOC. Question 1, Part 3. Any point on the right bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoints, which is theorem 12.1.1. By definition, mathematically, if line LM perpendicular to the line segment AB and AC congruent BC, then AP congruent BC, in which line LM perpendicular AB is its givens, and it can also be written as ACP congruent BCP, which is equal to 90 degree, and other given is AC congruent BC, while CP is common in both the triangles. Question 1, Part 4. Any point equidistant from the endpoints of a line segment is on the right bisector of it, which is theorem 12.1.2. Mathematically, if AP congruent BP, then PC perpendicular AB and AC congruent BC, where PC perpendicular AB and AC congruent BC means P is on the right bisector of AB. So we have to prove PC perpendicular AB equal to angle ACP congruent angle BCP equal to 90 degree. When measure angle ACP equal to measure angle BCP, which is equal to 90 degree, then PC is perpendicular to the AB. So PC perpendicular AB and its construction AC congruent BC makes the point P is on the right bisector of line segment AB. Question 1, part 5. The right bisectors of the sides of a triangle are congruent, which is theorem 12.1.3. By using theorem 12.1.1, when OP perpendicular AB and AP congruent BP, then OA congruent OB. Again, using theorem 12.1.1, when OQ perpendicular BC and BQ congruent CQ, then OB congruent OC. From equation 1 and 2, when OA congruent OB and OB congruent OC, then OA congruent OC, which is equation 3. From equation 3, when O is equidistant from C and A, then point OS on the bisector of side CA, which is equation 4. In construction from equation 1 and 2, point OS on the bisectors of the side AB and side BC, which is equation 5. From equation 4 and 5, the right bisectors of the sides of a triangle are congruent. Again, by using the diagram to answer the following questions, list the angle bisectors in which OP, OQ and OR are right bisectors. Its circumcenter is point O. List all the congruent segments in which AP congruent BP, BQ congruent CQ, CR congruent AR, and OA congruent OB congruent OC. Question 1, part 7. Any point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from its arms, which is theorem 12.1.4. By mathematically, if point P is on the bisector angle AOB, PQ perpendicular OB and PR perpendicular OA, then PQ congruent PR, in which POQ congruent POR is given. Angle PQO congruent angle PRO is its construction, while PO is common in both the triangles. Question 1, part 8. Any point inside an angle equidistant from its arms is on the bisector of it, which is theorem 12.1.5. By mathematically, a PQ congruent PR, where PQ is perpendicular OB and PR perpendicular OA, then angle POQ congruent angle POR, in which PQ congruent PR is its given. Also PQO congruent PRO is its given, which is perpendicular. PO is common in both the triangles. Then triangle POQ congruent POR is congruent. Question 1, part 6. the bisectors of the angles of a triangle are concurrent, which is theorem 12.1.6. By using theorem 12.1.4, when bisector of angle DBF is angle DBI congruent angle FBI, then ID congruent IF, which is equation 1. Again, using the theorem 12.1.4, when bisector of angle DCE is angle DCI congruent angle ECI, then ID congruent IE, which is equation 2 from equation 1 and 2. When ID congruent IE and ID congruent IF, then IE congruent IF, which is equation 3rd. When I is equidistant from AE ray and AF ray, then point I is on the bisector of angle EAF, which is equation 4. In construction from equation 1 and 2, also the point I is on the bisector of angle DBF and angle DCE, which is equation 5. From equation 4 and 5, the bisectors of the angles of a triangle are concurrent. Again, by using the diagram to answer the following questions, list the angle bisectors in which angle CBI congruent ABI, angle BCI congruent angle ACI, and angle BAI congruent angle CAI. Point I is in center. List all the congruent segments: IF congruent ID, ID congruent IE, IF congruent IE, and at the last, ID congruent IE congruent IF.